Hello and welcome to the Red Flat in Sofia. This is a unique museum that takes you back in time to the last decade of communism in Bulgaria. In this video, we're going to explore the life of an average Bulgarian family, and we are going to learn how they lived, how they worked, how they played, and how they dreamed in 1980s. Before we can see the Red Flat, we need to get the ticket from Gifted Sofia. It's a souvenir shop on Ivan Denkoglu Street that sells local brands and artists.
За червения апартамент.
Да, здравейте. Това е началната точка на посещението.
Да.
Музеят е истински апартамент, се намира зад ъгъла. Моят колега директно ще ви заведе.
Дали може да се снима?
Да. Ще ви моля да върнете баджа, когато приключите
Да.
посещението. Научно и различно.
То никой ли няма сега там?
В момента
Сега
само
никой няма.
Супер.
Да, може да се снимам спокойствие.
Communism in Bulgaria lasted for more than 4 decades under the Bulgarian Communist Party. Todor Zhivkov, the leader of the party, ruled for most of that period. He was the second longest serving leader in the Eastern Bloc. Under his rule, Bulgaria experienced an economic growth, industrialization, social welfare, but at the same time, political repression, censorship, and isolation. The museum offers an audio tour, and you can listen to 46 stories regarding the political system and how it has affected the culture, society, and economy of the country. You will also discover how the communist regime in Bulgaria influenced the travel opportunities and freedoms of its citizens. The stories are available in Bulgarian, English, Spanish, and Italian. The cool thing is that you can touch, feel, and interact with everything you see as if you are a real guest at this apartment. Despite the small size of the apartment, you will be amazed by how much you can learn and experience here. If you choose to listen to the entire audio tour, you will need at least an hour and a half to fully appreciate the stories of the family and the country. The children's room is my favorite as it brought back some nostalgia for me. I saw some toys and objects that I had as a child, such as the record player, the bicycle, the roller skates, and the tape recorder. If you have a look at the picture, this was exactly how we used to tie this around the neck. The blue one is for the younger kids, and this was for the older kids. I will explain what is the symbol and the meaning of this. The communist regime had a youth organization with 3 levels: Chavdar, ages 6 to 9, blue scarf; Pioner, ages 10 to 14, red scarf; and Komsomolets, ages 15 to 28. Each level was involved in different activities and aimed to promote communism and prepare the young people for joining the Communist Party.
or some games. I wasn't really into those kind of games.
Now let's explore the bathroom and see what kind of secrets it holds. The straight razor and the shaving brush catch my eye. They have a vintage charm that reminds me of my dad's traditional shaving method. Next to the shower, there is a rustic soap that was popular in the countryside. The kitchen is furnished with authentic items and displays the everyday life of a typical Bulgarian family during the 80s. The fridge is more of a mini fridge. It has a section for fruits and vegetables, a slot for eggs, and a minimal space for a few bottles. Coca-Cola was a scarce product during communism, and it was highly desired and valued by many people who lived under that system. I hope you have enjoyed this journey into the past and you have learned something more about the life in communist Bulgaria.